Hi, we're SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at 8.5 by 20 charcoal hybrid trailer with a blackout package. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains. There is 24-inch stone guard along the tip and bottom of your VNose. There is a gray screwed exterior. This trailer does come with two 35-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. There are teardrop stone guard fenders. This trailer does have a 4-foot mesh railing along the sides, as well as a 4-foot mesh loading ramp. This trailer does come with LED brake lights. There are 4 tie-down points at the bottom of the trailer. There is also ATP flooring. Coming alongside, we have the railing again. Coming along to the enclosed portion, we have a step up. The enclosed portion of your trailer does have a 46-inch passenger side door. There are 2 LED strip lights in the top of your trailer, as well as a 50-amp electrical package. The enclosed portion of this trailer does measure in 8 foot with a 6-foot 6-inch interior height. The enclosed portion of this trailer also has 2 vents. There is a 12-foot utility deck on this hybrid. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 20 hybrid enclosed trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.